This Etsy store makes over $11,000 a month. And this one makes over $8,700. And they're both using one of the simplest ways to make money online today. And no, it's not print on demand.
What a time to be alive.
I'm AI Adam, and I teach you about AI tools and businesses. And in this video, we're jumping into Etsy and looking at a secret method that's making these shops thousands of dollars a month. Plus, I'm going to show you some tools to have AI do most of the work for you. Now let's get started, and as always, the links to the software used are in the description below. So first of all, why are we selling on Etsy? Well, Etsy is a huge market with over 95 million active buyers and a really strong retention rate, meaning we're putting our product in front of customers that are already ready to buy. Etsy also supports a variety of different products, meaning we can niche down really easily. So how are these shops making so much money on Etsy without print on demand? Well, they're making things called digital products. In this case is they're selling simple templates to make money online. For example, this listing sells a simple bundle of Canva templates at $30 a piece, and it's made over $200,000 since being listed. And that's the kind of product I'm going to show you how to build today. We're going to go into the template niche and build out a successful product in that niche. Now, there are other steps to Etsy success. So if you want me to make a video detailing the step-by-step full process on an automated Etsy store, leave a like to this video. Now to make our product, we're going to be using Canva, ChatGPT, and Etsy. And we're going to use this product as a baseline because it's already been shown to make thousands. So let's break down the product. This product is a bundle of different Canva templates for Etsy shop sellers. And it allows them to get these templates and put together their branding and their banners in one consistent way, which is very valuable for new sellers. So to get started, I'm going to go over to ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask it to act as an SEO expert and copywriting guru and help me outline the product, listing, and description in detail. And here I'm going to also include that this product includes 15 templates. So when I run this, it's going to create a description, a title, and the different templates that I'll have to make for this product, along with the tags for SEO that I should add to the listing. Now, after this, I'm going to ask it to write it out in a PDF document format. So I take that outline, and you can see here that it actually has added all of the different template ideas that I should have within this product, along with an FAQ and additional resources that I should consider tagging in this. So this is what I'm going to copy and move to a Word document. And here's a pro tip. When copying from ChatGPT into a Word document, it's important you go to Edit and Paste with Markdown, so you get the exact same formatting that you got in ChatGPT. And now I can go through and clean this up and make it look more presentable for the customer, because this is going to be the PDF that we send to them as the product. But we're still missing something, and that is these links. These are all currently empty links with a placeholder for different templates that you should add. So we're going to jump into Canva and generate some templates for our product. So Canva is the current king for drag and drop, easy to use image and layout editing software. And it has a great free tier and some amazing pro tier features. And this is what we're going to be using to make our templates, because we can share them with our customers using a link directly to the template. So to get started, I'm going to look for an Etsy shop cover and create some templates for that. And once it loads, you can see that we have a variety of different templates that are already pre-made that we can take and modify for our audience. So we just want to keep a consistent brand look with the package we're selling. And this one looks pretty good to me. Maybe for a homeopathic shop or something selling health products. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to modify it by adding different placeholder names like shop name and where they put the types of things that they make for the shop, and add some different features so it at least looks a little different and adds some value to somebody who might be wanting to start a shop with this kind of banner. Another thing that I want to note while I'm making this are things like the font, the types of backgrounds, the different graphics that I use, and the color scheme, so I can keep the brand very uniform throughout the different templates that I'm making. This is extremely important that you keep everything consistent, because the product is a specific type of branding. So we need to have everything consistent across the different templates that we offer. Now, once we think it looks good, we can go up to the share button. And on the share button, we can click copy template link. And this is the link that we're going to embed into our PDF so we can share it out with our customers. We also want to download a PNG of the template so we can add that to the PDF and use it in the listing. This is important to create a high quality product that's easily navigatable for the customers so you get good reviews, which just keep on giving. And now we just have to rinse and repeat, creating the 15 templates on the same brand so we can sell this out as a template kit for somebody who's looking for a homeopathic Etsy shop. Once we're done with this, we can export this as a PDF and have it as our digital product on our Etsy store. And if you want me to show you how I built a fully automated Etsy store, leave a like or comment on this video.